In a dense, green jungle, there lived a small, humble Caecilian named Caleb. Caleb was a gentle soul, content with his simple life, spending his days tending to his garden and his nights beneath the stars. One day, while wandering through the jungle, Caleb came across a forked path. Uncertain of which way to go, he paused, looking left and right. A wise old frog, who lived nearby, happened to see Caleb's dilemma. "Ah, Caleb," the frog called out, "I see you've come to a crossroads. Let me tell you a tale, to help you decide." "I'd be grateful, kind sir," Caleb replied, his eyes wide with curiosity. "Long ago," the frog began, "there was a proud, selfish elephant who roamed these jungles. He loved his own reflection so much, he spent all his days admiring himself in the river. One day, his trunk became stuck in a thicket, and he couldn't free himself." "What happened then?" Caleb asked, leaning in closer. "The elephant called out for help, but no one heard him. He was too proud to ask the small creatures who passed by. Days turned into weeks, and the elephant grew weaker. One day, a tiny ant came across him. Despite his small size, the ant managed to free the elephant's trunk." "How did the ant do it?" Caleb wondered. "The ant was kind and patient. He knew that with time and effort, he could save the elephant. But the elephant, once free, forgot the ant's kindness. He returned to his vain ways, never thinking of the ant again." "What a sad tale," Caleb said, his eyes welling up with tears. "Remember, Caleb, no matter how small you may seem, kindness and humility can bring great rewards. Never forget to help those in need, even if they are smaller than you." "Now, choose your path wisely," the frog advised. Caleb looked at the two paths once more. He remembered the elephant's mistake and decided to choose the path that led him to help others. He promised himself that he would never forget the kindness of the ant and the lesson learned from the frog. From that day forward, Caleb became known as the kindest Caecilian in the jungle. He helped his fellow creatures whenever he could, making the jungle a better place for all who lived there. The moral of the story: never underestimate the power of kindness and humility, for they can change the world, one small act at a time.